How to get a refund on Arriva Clic. First, you want to go to your browser, and here at the search bar, you want to search for Arriva Clic refund policy. After that, you want to scroll down and tap on the Arriva. After that, you want to scroll down and simply tap on the Arriva website over here. And here you want to accept all the cookies first, and you'll be able to see all the frequently asked questions over here. You can read all of this. If this has a specific problem that you're facing as well, you might be able to get your answers over here. However, if you just want to contact the team, you'll be able to do so by scrolling down all the way to here and simply tapping on Arriva group. After that, you want to scroll down as well, and here you'll be able to see an option called, here you will see the official. You can send a mail to this email address addressing all your troubleshoot problems and with your details attached. By doing so, you want to appeal for a refund, and if your appeal is valid, you'll be able to get your refund within 2 to 3 business days. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.